Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Samsung Freestyle. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move to all of the settings, inside scroll down to general and privacy, and now we need to scroll all the way down and find reset button. Click on OK, enter the PIN, which by default should be 4 times 0. And click on reset. Now it will take a few moments, don't disconnect the power, and after this line fills up, our reset will be finished. And here's the beginning of the setup, and the factory reset is basically finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.